everybody, so welcome back. I was going to film a little haul today and I went to go start filming, and then all of a sudden I don't know, I checked it and the sound was all muffled, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, my phone's gonna go kaput. Like, no, I don't know what the heck happened. So I was like, okay, well, what if I turn my phone? I tried it. The sound is actually really good, way better. However, I cannot see myself. I don't know. I think I'm where I'm supposed to be. So we're gonna give it a try, see how it goes. But if I'm like out of the viewfinder or picture for a little bit, like, I'm sorry. So let's see how this goes. So I got some stuff from Sephora, Ulta, Target. I got some goodies from Korey, and I got some things that I needed from R&F. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with this real quick because I was in utter shock with this dry shampoo. I kid you not, I was so excited. I was in need of dry shampoo. I couldn't find the chia seed anywhere for the life of me. So I settled and I picked up this Biotin Boost by Hask. And it says thickening dry shampoo. I sprayed it in my hair, and I kid you not, I was like, wow. It smells like man's deodorant. And don't get me wrong, like, I love man's deodorant. It smells so good, and no shame. There's been time or two where I've put it on because I've had no choice. But I don't know if I want to smell like it all day. And it's strong, and I don't want to be in the store and someone's like, did she just smell like man's deodorant? Or I don't want my husband to come home and give me a hug and go, do you have my deodorant? You know, like, it really smells like man's degree. And I was like, oh gosh, like, it was so unexpected. I thought it was gonna smell fresh and clean, and oh, it smells fresh and clean all right, but not in that way. But that's okay. It's okay, I'm gonna use it, but it ain't my favorite. So I just wanted to say I'm gonna be ordering the chia seed one because I can't find it anywhere. I even looked at Ulta, and I think Ulta has it for like $7 where Target has it for $4.99. I'm like, okay, that's a ripoff. Like, I could get two for that. But anywho, so at Target, I decided to pick up the Kristen S Reconstructive Moisture Mask. And you guys, I've used it's a 10 leave-in, or was it the mask, for years and years. And I love it so much. And I love the smell and everything, but I wanted to try something a little bit cheaper because I think $30 is a little steep for that. And yeah, you don't need to use a lot, but I kind of wanted to try something different now because I really like her texture spray and the loose powder, which of course I got in my hair. I was like, okay, this might be pretty good. And it smells just like the sprays though. Exactly. So I'm already used to it. And I thought this was pretty, just, you know, feminine and just pretty. So I was like, all right, we're gonna give this a try. And it was only $14. So we're gonna give that a go. Then at Ulta, I picked up the So Silver from Matrix. This is my go-to purple shampoo. And oh, I scored because it was like, I got an email that said $5 off your $10 purchase. And I was like, oh heck yeah. So I got that. Then you guys, one of my longtime subscribers and followers, Sarah, told me the other day, because I've been, you know, I asked you guys that I wanted to know what all the good stuff is out there. And I've been making a list, and this is one thing that I picked up, and she told me I need to try this. And it's the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. That's what I'm wearing, you guys. It is giving my Lash Paradise a run for its money. It is so, so good. and it's not a very wet formula when you first open it. It's perfect. I've been under a rock. I never even heard of this, and I haven't looked at Milani lately, so I've never even seen it. So I really wanted to try it out, and I'm so impressed, y'all. So give this a shot. I've used it for a couple days, or maybe a little longer than that, 3 or 4 days. Absolutely love it. Okay, so then from Sephora, I picked up the Laura Mercier translucent powder that I love so much. Y'all know that, and this is what the original packaging looks like. I just had the holiday edition one, so it was all sparkly and pretty. But today, what am I wearing today? I haven't worn the loose mineral powder in a long time. So I've done this for a couple days. It's in natural beige, but I mean, I really like this too, but I still think this is my favorite. I don't know, what do you guys think? For some reason, I lean towards that one, but this gives you a little bit more of a glow. So it's a little more mattifying, but I don't know, I'm torn. I do like them both, but anyway, so, okay. RNF. I needed a few things. So I needed a new tub of the Active Hydration Body Replenish, which is my go-to when I'm self-tanning. It comes in a big old jar like this, and I love it, you guys. You get a lot in here, and a little goes a long way. I know it's a little pricey, but seriously, if you have dry hands and dry feet in 2 days, this works wonders. I kid you not. It just makes your skin kind of glowy and pretty. Especially, the best time to put this on is when you first get out of the shower. When you first get out of the shower, it glides on. You don't need a lot. Little goes a long way, and it smells so good. I can't figure out if it smells like cucumber or a hint of melon. I don't know, but I really do love it. So I needed another one of those. And then I got another lash serum, which looks like this, and then when you open it, the tube looks like that, and you just put it on like eyeliner. Super simple. And I got I'm dropping things. And I got another Active Hydration Serum. I love the packaging. And then when you open it, it's all pretty in it. So got those. Then Korey, she's the sweetest person ever. I love her to the bone. And you guys have seen her before. We've done a little vlog video together. I love her to pieces, and she knows me so well. Like, she knows exactly what I need. It's like she could read my mind. It's the funniest thing. But she sent me some goodies. So she sent the prettiest little card. Then she sent this cute little canvas pouch. She sent this, it says She's Unstoppable Inspirational Journal. And it's just got like little quotes in here, and I could write in here, and it's really, really sweet. Oh, I like this one. Grateful. And I needed these so bad for my little day planner, and I've already been using it. Like, I've taken some stickers off, but she just knows me well. I've been on a mission to find some good ones, and I haven't been able to, and then she found these perfect ones, and they just have different pages of different things. So girl, you were awesome. And then this cup, Mom Fuel. Heck yeah, I need this to survive. So she got that, and then, okay, does she not know that I was like about to run out of my shampoo and conditioner upstairs, because she just hooked me up with some color proof. And I love this one, and I love the red one. I think the red was the volumizing one, but you guys, I haven't used color proof since you've see me before my break. So I'm so excited to be using this again. And yeah, so those were the things she sent me. Oh no, she sent me one more thing. Hang on, I got to go get it. All right, so this was like my favorite thing that she sent me, because I was thinking to myself that I really need another one. She sent me a little diamond pen, and I already had one, except I got mine from Mardel's, and it has 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 4, be beautiful, on it. And now I have a backup. I love these little pens, especially for my planner and just writing notes, and these are just my go-to. So now I have another one. So anyways, she is so awesome. Thank you. I thanked her so much already. So I just hope this haul turned out okay, since I can't see what the heck I'm doing, but maybe it'll be better this way. Maybe it happened for a reason. It's always for good. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.